Hello students, in today's video we are going to see how do we find intersection of sets. Now this particular topic I'll be explaining you by taking three different examples, and at the end I'll be comparing all the three examples together so that you can understand the concept very properly. Okay, so let's see the first example. So we have two sets A and B. Set A has elements or numbers 2, 5, 8, 9 and 12. And B has numbers 4, 6, 8, 9, 13 and 15. Now what do you mean by intersection of two sets? Means we have to write down a set which has only the common elements from A and B. Okay, so what are the common elements from A and B? That is 8 and 9. Okay, we have numbers 8 and 9 common from A and B. So we write down that A intersection B is 8, 9. Okay. Now let us see how do we draw the Venn diagram for this. Now if you see set A and B, we had certain common elements. So I'm going to do two circles intersecting each other. Why intersecting? Because intersection is a place where the common elements are going to come. So there I'm going to write down 8 and 9. So first let me specify the two sets A and B. Then I'm going to write down the common elements in that intersection part, that is 8 and 9. And the remaining elements from A, that is 2, 5 and 12, I will write down in A part. And the remaining elements from B, that is 4, 6, 13 and 15, I'm going to write down in B part. Now here we are drawing the Venn diagram for A intersection B. What is the answer for intersection B, students? 8, 9. So here we have to shade only the common region, that is 8 and 9. Don't shade the whole part. Okay, so that is the first example for you. Now let's see the second example. Okay, I'm taking again two sets. Set A has elements 2, 5, 8, 9 and 12, and set B has elements 4, 6, 10, 11, 13 and 15. Now if you see both the sets very carefully, students, you do not have any common elements. There is no common elements to write down. So what should I write? I should write nothing. So I can say that A intersection B is an empty set. Okay, it is empty because we don't have anything to write in that. So how do we draw the Venn diagram for this? Understand this very properly. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm drawing two sets or two circles A and B. Okay, we are not making the two circles intersect. We are not even making the two circles touch each other. See it very carefully, students. A and B, we are drawing two circles away from each other. Okay, they should not intersect, nor they should join each other, nor they should touch each other. Yes, so what I'm going to write down, I'm going to write down all the elements from A and all the elements from B. Now whenever you draw a Venn diagram, okay, shading is always important. Now what is the answer over here, students? A intersection B, answer is empty. Empty means what? Nothing. So what should I shade over here? Nothing. Okay, so just draw A and B and do not shade anything over here. Okay, so this is the second example. Now let's take the third example, students. So let me write down set A and set B. So set A has elements 6, 11 and 13, and B has 4, 6, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 15. So do we have any common elements over here? Yes, we do have. So what are the common elements? 6, 11 and 13. Okay, so when I write down the intersection of A and B, what do we write down? We write down only the common elements. So what are the common elements? 6, 11 and 13. Okay, now students, before we draw the Venn diagram, understand the example very properly. Okay, what are the common elements? 6, 11 and 13. So can I say that all elements of set A are present in set B? Means an easier way, I'll tell you that set A is inside set B. Okay, so when I draw the Venn diagram, okay, the outer diagram is for set B and the inner diagram is for set A. So set B and set A. Why? Because set A is inside set B. What are those elements? The elements are 4, 6 and 13, and the remaining elements from B, I'm going to write down it outside A, that is 4, 10, 12 and 15. Now what we have to shade, students? We have to shade the intersection part. What is the intersection part? Only 6, 11 and 13. So what I'm going to shade? I'm going to shade only the inner set, that is set A. So this is how we draw the Venn diagram for A intersection B. Okay, now students, whatever the three examples we have taken, so let us summarize all together. Okay, so we have done three types of examples over here. So type 1. Okay, what was type 1? Can you recall? Yes, we did two sets where there were some elements common. So we did two circles intersecting each other, and what was the intersecting part? That we shaded. The second type, what we saw was no elements common. So what we did over there, we did two circles away from each other. They are not even touching each other. Make sure that. Okay, and we are not even shading anything over here. Yes, because there is nothing common. In type 3, we saw that set A is inside set B and that set A is common. So we are shading only set A from here. Okay, students, I hope you understood the concept very well. Thank you so much.